icicle crash.
Man.
I timed that shit perfect.
Fuck yeah.
Hey
guys, I think I got him.
Let's
Oh,
go.
fuck those guys.
Let's do it. All right, remember, just we are ahead, but let's not get too overconfident.
Wait, why am I the one sitting out? I'm not the.
Because you were working on OBS while we were doing.
You're working on OBS, and
I was already here.
and he was already here. So,
God damn it, man.
You're not stacking,
in
right?
technicality, you were late. You were late.
Whatever.
Blazing, are you running?
Only because everybody else was more on time.
Are you running experience here?
I am, my friend.
Okay. Did you take the blue buff, Mosh?
I did not.
No,
I got that one.
I forgot about that.
Nice. I got that big one. The big furry one.
Yeah, right.
I already
Sorry,
got
we've
those.
been playing
It's
so
okay.
much today without doing that. I forgot.
The mid one.
It's okay.
Mid one.
Maybe I see it.
Okay, I'm gonna
It
push
is
the
Tyranitar
top.
bottom.
I'm pushing the. Whoa. Okay, I'm coming.
You can push bottom if you want. Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Your
slowed down.
Glaceon's here. Oh, he's on me.
Wow.
Go get your 5.
No. You come with me. You have the XP share.
Can I
Oh,
kill
yeah.
Legend?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm pushing top. I'm pushing top. They saw me on bottom. I can make it up top before they realize I'm here.
Yep.
Alright, I'm 5.
Well, Mosh
with
got the
these.
5. Mosh got the 5, so we're cooking.
I got a majority of that.
Careful, Mosh.
I got the big one. I don't
Got
think we can
some of
push
it.
this.
Yeah, I don't think
We got
so.
a lot of that. We got a lot of that.
Yeah, I think we got all of it actually.
Hell yeah.
I
Yeah.
think I got literally all of it.
Yeah. So we're good. We're cooking.
Oh,
They're gonna get
now.
that. Yeah, they're gonna get that. Fine.
Sorry, we were licking our wounds.
Yeah. Let's get this one, and then we're gonna head straight to top. Head straight to mid. Let's burn this and then head to mid. Oh, yeah, go. There we go. I got heavy slime now. Let's go.
Let's get
Mosh
this
is
side one
almost
for
7.
you.
Yep. That's what I was thinking.
I should be 7 by the time I get to mid.
Over here. Come over here with me, Legend.
I am
This is
7
better.
by mid. Here they come bottom.
I thought that one was
But-
still there.
If we see him,
Hit him
these
up.
guys are fucked.
They're dead.
Glaceon's in the
Glaceon.
middle.
Watch out. Watch out, Star.
Urshifu's
Yeah,
here.
Urshifu. Urshifu and Snorlax. Yeah, get him right here.
Oh, we are so mean.
Woo! Let's get
I
those
got,
scores,
I got
baby.
hurtied.
Yeah, you got hurt a little bit.
Thank God, Brave
That was
Bird.
nice. Good job, guys.
Grab that berry after you score.
Yep.
Oh, there's a Pikachu
Yeah,
over there.
that's fine.
You.
You're
Coming help.
probably
There
dead.
is.
No, I'm not.
Oh, wow.
It's been a dream.
Kill him here.
Thank you.
We're just too good.
They got 4 up here.
Yep.
It's. They got 4 up there.
I got the little ones.
Okay, gonna
Good,
grab my
go,
buffs and
baby.
head bottom.
I'm
No,
strong
go
as
bottom,
fuck.
guys. Go bottom. We want the bottom more.
I'll say we will get this fire without you guys.
Well, I think they're coming down. I just saw them going into the middle, so.
Well, they're too late because it's already half dead.
Three still top. Pika,
Alright,
Yeah,
Urshifu,
go back
yeah,
top. Go
Snorlax.
back top. This is
Yeah.
decided.
Yep. We got it. I'm heading up top
And
now.
it's a steal?
Let me break this.
Oh my God!
Sarv!
Fucking icicle crash.
Man.
I timed that shit perfect.
Fuck yeah.
Hey, guys, I think I got him.
Let's go.
Fuck those guys.
Let's do it. All right, remember, just we are ahead, but let's not get too overconfident.
So you want me to run
Oh,
through their
I
jungle?
was so close to a
we
penta.
already
God
did.
damn it.
We already did. Amy and
Damn,
Tom did
Mosh,
that already.
10 already? It's only 6
Oh,
minutes.
mid.
Yep,
I'm coming in.
Coming back.
Yeah, it is only 6 minutes, isn't it? You guys go for that. You don't need me.
You don't need me.
I'm 10 and a half.
Void.
They got me there, okay?
I saw that. That was funny.
mid.
Oh, I got three. I got
There's-
three. I got
there's,
3 here.
I'm coming.
Yeah. Kill him. I knew you guys would. Oh, get his ass. Get his ass for doing that shit. Oh.
Guys, I have 1 stack.
Oh.
That's my second quad kill.
That's my second quad support.
They don't have jump
Let's
pad. They
back-
don't have jump
let's-
pad.
Oh, they don't. Fuck.
Yeah, they don't have jump pad.
They're here, though. They're here. Let's
Oh,
just
yeah,
not,
let's
let's not
back
push
out.
this. We got a base thing to get here in a second. Where you guys? Pull it back. Keep coming back.
Yeah, I'm making
he
sure
was-
Mosh.
He was killing us. I
Yeah,
have
he
wide
has-
guard.
Oh,
I'm okay.
I have to stop moving when I wide guard.
No, nobody else look at the fact that I almost shit my pants.
I got you.
I
got you,
saw-
boy.
I'm out. You can run.
I'm out too.
Keep bringing it this way if you can. 'Cause
I was about to say.
like, oh.
I was about to say I have ult here.
Cool.
I got you. I always got you, boy. I saw that.
I need a berry for a
So
second.
it's another steal.
Another steal. Cool.
We got this. You want to head top?
Yeah, I'm checking bushes. Just checking to make it. All right, cool. Nice. I'm heading up. You want me to stay bottom?
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
good.
yeah, stay bottom.
Cool.
Stars pushing him hard.
Relax.
Coming.
He starts.
We're gonna show up in 3 seconds.
And he's got United.
Balls.
Oh. Get the 5.
Bitch.
Oh, wait.
Nope, I'm dead. Oh.
Oh, guys.
Oh, they got me too.
All right.
I have potion.
Oh, they're gonna spawn back in. Careful.
Yeah, but Delphox should have plenty of time to whip this. Sarb, go ahead and zone out.
Maybe not actually.
Yep, there's the
Careful.
Lax is coming up. Watch it. Watch your back, Hawk.
Yeah, I'm
I'll
watching.
take a
I got
death
him
just
zoned
to
out.
make us. There you go.
Yep.
There you go.
I'll-
Good
I'll
job,
help
guys.
him put out. Yep.
Good
That death
fucking
is worth
job.
it.
I'm gonna go bottom just to cover to make sure.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let me see if we can push this a little bit. Scare them off.
I'm taking up all
No,
these
it's gonna be
strike
Snorlax.
points.
Yeah, it's gonna be Snorlax and them. They're gonna rip that. Let's get out.
Would you go ahead and rotate to your
He uses Unite for that, so let's get out.
Grabbing
Yeah,
mids
that-
first.
You?
I consider that a win.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay up here. They
Just
might push up here too.
I'm just over
Yeah.
here taking all their farm. It's fine.
Yeah. I'm heading up top just to be with Mark real quick. Carries. Also, I just need healing. I need
healing. God damn it!
All right, let's go down.
I'm taking
Motion will
blue.
stay.
I could say you guys all 4 go, because it seems like you 4 is just enough.
I've been bitching them this entire game. I'm
I know
thirsty
you
do.
KOs.
Just careful,
Lazy
guys.
on
'Cause it's
the
all
other
once
stuff.
if they get Ray and they score on us, we're gonna feel like shit.
Yeah, but there's that Tyranitar. Oh, you guys want
All
to?
right, how many's there? I think that's all of them there. All right,
We're
we're coming
strong,
down.
dude. We're strong.
Ooh, careful. Oh.
I keep getting
Careful
stuck.
about what?
Oh, I died. We're good.
No, give me the pizza. I can't. I need to know. I need to know. Give it.
think you
Give
might have
it. Give it. Yes.
Nice.
I was recording.
Yeah, I was about to ask, are you recording?
Well, there you go. Hey, Mosh, you got a video coming soon, I think.
Or at least it takes on.
Yeah, we could send that. Once you get the quadra,
Red buff is up. Red buff is up.
Let
Okay.
me take it for all.
Yep.
Yep.
All yours. I have plenty to be annoying without it. Actually, I also killed their jungler, so I have their buffs right now.
Nice. I'll stay up top to
Alright.
defend it.
They're about
Careful.
75%.
Glaceon is 14.
Yeah, so the Glaceon's
Okay.
pretty high level.
Here comes T-Tar.
Snorlax is up by me. I'm just
I'm
gonna go
watching
put some
bot.
pressure. I'm being annoying on purpose.
I'm gonna let you have it.
No, there's the Snorlax.
You
Get out of there, though, right?
Yep.
Oh,
3.
yeah. Oh, there's.
Oh,
he
no,
got
they
ulted.
ulted me. He ulted me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ulted.
just
Okay.
it's all right. Just
That's fine.
that's
We're
at
good.
least
That's fine.
one ult out.
Just watch for back caps.
Yep,
Bear,
I'm here.
Bear ult is out. They just jumped the pad. T-Tar's up top.
Okay.
Bear's up top. They're going top to Snorlax.
Come on, sir.
There's
Pushing
3 up
down.
top with Snorlax. 4 up top. 5 up top. They're pushing 5. If you can ult in there, that's perfect.
Ulting as well.
Beautiful. Beautiful cleanup, guys.
They got
Get
me, but
on.
that's okay.
Get shit on.
Let's
always get
go.
me. How come they get me every
Now we can
time?
get this safely. We can get this safely.
Yeah, we got 6 seconds until peak.
Yeah, it's surrender time for them.
Shabam!
Let's get this. We gotta get this quick.
There it is.
Yes!
Cool.
Yes!
Nice,
Yes.
guys.
Masters.
Easy fucking.
Dominant.
Made it. Thank you. I needed
Oh, that
just
was-
one more.
That was your game?
That was my Masters game.
Was it really?
That was good.
Oh, that felt so
Yeah.
good.
We got
Ah.
me and Mosh. I was like, I was like, man, Monster got to the Masters, and I was like, I'm just 1 away. I'm like, I was just keeping shut about it.
Blazin, I have to tell you, I legitimately sat down. I saw you had ult 1. I'm like, are we just gonna talk about how this is Blazin's master game? Fully not knowing at all where you were at, how many pips. I was gonna say it. I'm like, nah, let's not even joke about it.